Grandma.
What's the magic word?
You're beautiful.
Oh! I'll give you 20 for that. Another one.
You're very skinny.
Another 20. Thank you, Sean. You're telling the truth. This girl said my outfit is trash. Can you believe that? Remember this, Apple. Your outfit is not a trash. You're trash. Your outfit is not a trash. Be confident. Remember that. Read this.
Aloe.
Aloe.
Ano ba, ma?
Chocolate ganads. This chocolate ganads. I like this.
What is it?
Chocolate ganads. Buy me this. Okay? I think it's good.
Apple,
Huh?
you should make that. Ganache.
Chocolate ganads. Why are you correcting me?
I'm not! I'm
Chocolate ganads.